Greetings folks, William Caleb back at you with another video, and today we're going to go ahead and do a quick overview and review for my latest offer here in 2025. Happy New Year's, by the way, everybody. We're going to start the year off right. Now you can get instant access to 10 hot over-the-shoulder step-by-step Evergreen Digital Profits video tutorials. This is a full set of video tutorials that I've compiled together, curated from the best trainings that I've got a hold to, that I've seen, that's gonna go ahead and bring you into some immediate profits here. Now, full disclosure, I can't guarantee that you'll make anything at all, as most people don't make much because they really just don't see the thing all the way through. They don't put in the time and the investment, and I'm not just talking about whether it be a monetary investment, but also not putting in the proper amount of mental time, learning time, and there's just so much that goes into this because this is a business. But these are the tutorials that'll give you the technical aspects, will give you the foundational of what's and whys and how you get going. What do the different things mean, and how do you use the different things to go ahead and get started with an online venture. These tutorials, as well as my included advanced website traffic acquisition training, is going to teach you about the different ways you can go about selling things online, and these particular strategies and methods work for regardless of what industry or niche or thing you might be selling. You can apply these trainings to that, and you have access to them in the back office. We're going to have a look at that in a minute, and to access this page, I want to make sure you know that, right? You want to know where you're going to get all this training, and that's at easymoneyschool.com/evergreen profits. Each one of these that you see that green check mark is going to be in addition to the 10 video trainings. You're getting all of that. I'm even giving you a resource that's going to give you direct accesses to places where you can just buy traffic. In other words, you can pay a fee and a certain amount of people will just start flooding your website, regardless of what niche it is. How's that? That should really get the ball rolling, right? And it's not nothing that's going to break the bank. You'll see on the inside. But again, I can't promise or guarantee that you'll make money. That part's going to be up to you and how you apply yourself. But what I can guarantee is that I'm giving you the right tutorials, the right training. I'm giving you the right things you need to build a true online asset. And I'm also going to throw in the following bonuses. Video training that's going to teach you 20 ways to make $100 a day, and we're also going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to make your own digital products. That's tight, right? Learning how to make your own product where you won't have to keep a physical inventory, but has the potential of paying you for years to come, like so many others before you're done. And we're also going to give you step-by-step training to do email marketing, because that's a big part of the make money online thing. When you build an email list of subscribers and you start sending them regular email messages, they begin to trust you. They begin to follow your recommendations. Then as you recommend certain things, those things will get you paid. That's one of the big ways that many make money online. I'm also throwing in the ultimate money list. Now, this is incredible here. The money list is a resource, a very carefully curated list of places where you can get SBA loans, grants that you don't have to pay for various reasons, bunches of places where you can get credit cards, even if you have a low credit score. There's tons of things that'll help you build your credit, places where you can get loans from. There's work from home lists, there's remote jobs that are available in here. Anything you need in the financial aspects is pretty much going to be in this list. Information on starting businesses, legal aspects, and another disclaimer, I'm not an attorney, but you're going to want to take a look at this list and get access to the things you need with that. I currently have this list for sale on its own separate sales page, but I'm telling you, I'm just going to throw it in here as a part of the Evergreen Profits, because this is something that will allow you to have Evergreen Profits, and that's the whole thing about this offer. Now, once you go ahead and hit the buy now button and you go ahead and place your order, and I'm going to let you go ahead and take a look at it yourself. This is not something that's going to break the bank, folks. You're going to be pleasantly surprised at, especially when you can consider everything you're getting here. Look at everything you're getting here, and the price is going to be unbelievable for some extra phenomenal training. But once you do get that buy button, and don't click on any other buttons, just hit the buy button and then take your hand off the little mouse clicky thingy. Everything's going to happen automatically, and it's going to bring you to the following page that you're about to see now. And this is the page here, and you're going to come up to the congratulations, thank you for claiming your copy, and all your links are going to open up in the trainings open up in their own window. So when you click on any of these, it's going to just open up in its own window and start playing for you. And you can also download. You see that big download button? You can download the whole entire package, everything, audios, the videos, to your own device, to your own computer, your tablet, or whatever you have going on there. And there's that traffic training. You're definitely going to read that. It's real important information here that I have underneath here before you access your traffic lessons in particular. And the bonus trainings all intact right there. And there's even a couple of surprises. I don't want to keep scrolling because there's a little there's a surprise there. You're just going to have to come on inside and check it out. Once again, that's at Evergreen Profits. That's easymoneyschool.com/Evergreen Profits. You might have heard of Evergreen Profits offer before, but this, folks, is the reloaded version by yours truly, William Caleb. Come on in the inside. I think you'll find everything is great. It's the training you need. It's gonna get you started as long as you apply what you learn. It doesn't matter what you end up trying to sell or what online business idea you come up with. This is going to show you how to get it going. All right, everybody. Thanks again. That's easymoneyschool.com/Evergreen Profits. Peace and light. Everything's going to be